Hello, good day mga kudoks. Kamusta na po kayo? So, I thought of doing a random video today. It's still part of the niche of my YouTube channel. So, if you've seen my last video, I'm currently here in the Philippines because I took an emergency leave because there's some family problems that I need to attend to. That's why I'm here in our house. So I don't know if you've been away from your home country or from your house, and you come back to your place, and everything seems to be strange. Everything seems to be new to you. And when you look at the house, when you look at the things at home, the pictures, all the memories goes back. There's some flashback of a lot of things. So when I arrived here in our house, actually I've been coming back and forth of our house a lot of times since I was studying in another place here in the Philippines. So I've been like away from our house for years now, or decades now, since I was studying for nursing, medicine. So I didn't study nursing and medicine here in our home province. I needed to go somewhere else in a big city here in the Philippines to have my pre-medical and my medical degree, as well as my internship and my residency training in pediatrics. And eventually I went abroad to American Samoa, and eventually in the UK, where I am currently working as a pediatric doctor. So I just want to bring you here in our house. Um, Forgive the noise because our house is very near the road, and it's really noisy, but it's okay. I hope you could still hear me in my vlog right now. I don't know if you've had this feeling that every time you go back to your old house, when you already have your own family and you're living somewhere else, I don't know if you had that feeling of being not, being a stranger in your old house, and everything seems to be new, and everything, all the things that you used to see before are already old, and it's already dusty, and some of the things are already replaced by new ones, and some are already rusty. And sometimes you get sentimental or emotional that everything seems to be getting old now. Even my parents and a lot of my relatives are getting old now. Some already passed away, and some are having this chronic illness. So it's really sad, but I think it's part of the cycle of life. Everyone gets old. There's another generation coming, and all those sorts. So sometimes I get emotional because we've already started to establish our life in the UK, and my heart is still here, of course, in the Philippines somehow, because everything started here. My dream started here, and I'm really grateful that our parents raised us here in the Philippines. And I just feel really emotional right now, given our family circumstance, and our current family problems. But I'm not gonna dive on that. I'm gonna give you some I just want to share to you some things, some pictures here at home that that's related to my journey as a doctor, currently in the UK. So I just want to share some of these pictures here at home. So we have this picture right here. So this is me when I graduated my kindergarten. So I graduated my kindergarten 2 before, and this is how I look like. I think I look handsome here. I just have some makeup, I think, on my face and lipstick, I guess. But I think I'm really a handsome boy before. What do you think? And I have another picture here. What else? Here. So this was my picture when I had my capping ceremony during my nursing school. So here in the Philippines, when you're already second year in your nursing degree, you have this ceremony called capping and badging. So it's like the middle part of your nursing education. And what else do we have here? Yeah, this one. This is my picture when I graduated nursing. Hmm. So I have my Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree in this picture. And what else do we have here? Oh, this one. So this is me when I graduated medicine. I think I just finished my internship in this picture. Yeah. And that's me when I was younger. Now let's enter my room. So this is how my room looks like here in our old house here in the Philippines. Yeah, that's my room, guys. It's not bad. So I'm really thankful that my mom, properly cleaned our house, maintained it, and it really looks nice. So I have pictures here. So these are some of my pictures during medical school. So I have this picture where I'm wearing Barong Tagalog, and my picture when I'm wearing a toga. I also have a plaque here of appreciation. So I got this when I was working in American Samoa as a pediatric consultant before. So here. So it says, we present this gift of appreciation to Dr. My name, where I worked as a pediatrician before in American Samoa. I'm really thankful, I'm really grateful that I was able to experience working in this country. And I also have this. So this was given by one of the nurses before in American Samoa. And it says pediatrician, and there's a very nice, Samoan art on the sides. I also won in a tournament before in American Samoa. So we were second place during a doubles tennis match there. So that's it, mga kudoks. Hope you enjoyed my very short vlog today. It's really warm here in the Philippines, guys. So I didn't miss this warm weather, to be honest. So I prefer the cold weather. So everything started in this house. Our dreams, or my dreams to become a doctor, started in this old house here in the Philippines. So I think basically I was raised by a family of doctors, nurses, and other medical professions. And my dad is a medical doctor as well. My sister is also a medical doctor. My mom is a registered nurse. So I was raised by a family of healthcare professionals. So I think because of that influence, I ended up to become a nurse and eventually as a doctor. And I think fate brought me to the United Kingdom. Me and my wife are currently there working as a doctor and a nurse. So I'm really grateful for this house, for my parents, who gave us this education, who gave us this chance to become a doctor and to serve people. Even though I'm working in another country, I'm still obviously serving people in my profession. So I'm really grateful for my parents, as always, and um, yeah. Thank you for watching this vlog, mga kudoks, and hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you could relate with this vlog, and always be thankful, always make your parents proud. Paalam, mga kudoks.